I'm Nancy, the treasure home, and what's for dinner? So I found some fresh soup I made, which was the turkey meatball soup with um, green beans and corn. So what I did, let me show you. I put some noodles in there, and I've got some broth out, and I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, yes, I'm going to invest into a camera holder. Alright, so let's see here. So the phone don't fall. I got tapioca flour left, starch flour, what's this thing? So I'm going to do, and just eyeball it. You probably don't need much, so that's probably about enough. And I'm going to stir this so I've got some of the hot liquid with this tapioca flour. That way, and if you have a little strainer, you can, strain it like that so you don't get the clumps. So I'm just trying to see how this works. Alright, so then I'm going to pour it back into the soup. So, and then I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. I'm going to let the noodles cook, and then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. So, we get the Being Life cheese. Turn it down low. Add a little bit in there now. And then I'm going to top it with Parmesan cheese. Let's see if we have any Parmesan cheese in there. Well, this is really looking good. So I didn't do I guess you could say it's a sauce. It's more of a roux. It smells so good. Now we're going to put it in our bowl. Oh my goodness. Yes. Barely anything stuck. Oh, that looks delicious. Alright, there we go. Put that there. Ooh, yes. Oh, leg. It's not open. We have an open one. We do not have an open one. Ooh, I get to be the first one to use this one. Oh, it looks so good. Hold on. I'll show y'all. There we go. Do I need a spoon or a fork? Maybe I'll use a spork. One of these. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yes. All right. Y'all know what time it is. It's still hot. And then here's my turkey meatball. Oh, look at that. Oh. And this one's got butter beans and green beans and the corn. Mmm. That is good. Mmm. I'm trying not to get it on my shirt. You know, I may add some more cheese. Hmm. There you go. Hmm. If you could put that in a ramekin or a square pan, put some breading on top of it, breadcrumbs, put cheese with breadcrumbs, stick it in the oven. That'd be good also. Or French's fried onions. So there you go. There is dinner. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.